Good morning, and today I'm with Rachel's Saab 93. She's just had the DPF cleaned at a dealer, so we're here today doing a stage 3 clean for her, just to get rid of the carbon. I've already done the fuel system treatment, which is our stage 2, and that's cleaning the fuel rails and the injectors. And I've also applied our stage 3 cleaner directly through the air intake, just to clean the EGR and the turbo, which is now spinning nicely. I've got the machine connected up, and we're now pumping hydrogen through, just to clean the EGR valve, the turbo, and through the combustion chambers, the inlet valves, piston crowns, injector tips, etc. And we're looking to give Rachel, get her car driving nicely again, and prevent any reoccurrence of the problems that it's had.